Alright, so here is the Google Home Hub. Now I'll be unboxing and setting up the Google Home Hub. Oh, shit. So this is like a sickle knife, like a curve-ass knife. So it's easier to open really any type of package with this type of knife. Except an X-Acto knife would be the ideal choice. Okay, so inside this box we have a few more envelopes. There's nothing in this one, so I guess all of that fell out. So I have the Google charger cable. How much watts is this? It says here that it's 50 to 60 hertz, right there. There's that, and here is the Google Home Hub. This is empty as well, so let's open this. It's honestly folded pretty well, but I don't really want, so I don't really want to open it with a knife because I'm afraid of damaging it. But no need, here it is. Condition wise, it's pretty much flawless. The back, a little bit of marking right there, but pretty good condition. So I'm gonna set it up now.